This is Myra Elaine on the Buying Space channel. I'm doing an unboxing from Rita the Booted Chick, and she has put a lovely thank you sticker on this box on the top, but it has the addresses on it, so I'm not going to show it. I have pre-cut some of this box because with large boxes like this, it just takes so long. Sometimes the unenvelopings take a long time too. Let me move this lovely butter dish and this pedestal compact out of the way. And turn this up. Oh, I don't know if it's good to turn it up either. Oh my goodness, I don't know how to do this properly. Oh, the smell out of this box is awesome. Yeah, if I turn this up, it's all going to fall out and be noisy because I'll show you what's in here. This is National Park Tea Collection, Shenandoah. My ancestors came through the Shenandoah Valley. The spectacular Blue Ridge Mountains and lush forests that comprise Shenandoah National Park served as inspection for this refreshing, misty green colored cup. Notes of lemon are accompanied by a hint of ginger and a delicate elderberry finish. Wow, sounds wonderful. I bought these from Rita, the Booted Chick. And the original purchase of this donated 10% to the national parks. How wonderful. And we have more loose leaf tea. This is Simpson and Vale Cozy Comfort Black Tea. And here we have another National Park Tea Collection, Glacier. I can imagine that this has mint in it. Let me look at the descriptions. Black tea, organic, juniper berries, birch bark, huckleberry flavor, uversa leaf, which is bearberry. Now this usa tea is an herb that's very good for your kidneys and your liver. It flushes out your system. So, you know, this is a wonderful, healthy tea. I didn't have any mint in it. That's kind of what I was expecting with Glacier, but that's fine. Oh dear. The coconut macaroon can got smashed a little bit. But this is organic green rooibos, organic cacao nibs, shredded coconut macaroon flavoring, and safflower. I love safflower and coconut. And these little coconut macaroons, when I go to the Asian buffet, that's what I go for. And I've learned to go get just buy the macaroons. It saves me about $100 for the whole family to go to the buffet. And here we have literary teas. We have Charles Dickens, and this one will be put up and saved for Christmas time because we watch all kinds of versions of Scrooge. So that'll be saved for the holidays. And this is another National Park Tea Collection, Yellowstone. Every time the teapot boils and sounds, I'm going to be like, there she blows when we fix this tea. No, we don't have a teapot like that. I'm just being funny. Let me see. Amber cup, pear, and a bergamot taste. Not sure what bergamot is. But all these national teas are made a donation. I forgot to see what Charles Dickens tastes like. The adventures of Pip and Oliver go wonderfully with this hearty, well-rounded variation of the typical British tea of Dickens' time. This is a blend of Chinese and Indian teas that brews to the amber cup with a light currant aftertaste. Nice. So not only is this a historical tea, it is what they call in the SCA period to the time. It's got black tea, oolong long tea, black currant flavoring, and cornflower petals. How very nice. How very British. And all these teas are loose leaf teas, and we'll have to take a tea bag for them. And this was a lot together that I bought for all of $4, this stationery lot. Pocket book set. 20 note cards and envelopes, address bank, and memo pad. But this has been, I think all the note cards are gone. And this was, this is reselling. So this is an address book. Oh, this is perfect. I used to have an old reseller address book that I haven't recovered since I moved. It's in a box somewhere. So what I used to do would take the, when there's like I do it on enveloping, I would cut out the address and then I would tape it in to whatever letter was appropriate. And here's a cute little notepad that matches. The stationery lot. And I got all this stationery from Ella. I can put in here actually. So that worked nicely. That's timely to what I'm doing and needing at this time. And we have, oh my goodness, spicy mangoes. Dehydrated mangoes. And you can eat those immediately. Doesn't say they're gluten-free or not. I'm not sure. I'll have to ask about that. And then Rita always puts miscellaneous candy. She just takes a handful. I bet her grandkids did it this time. Her grandkids are staying with her over the summer. And just threw these in the box. So we have okay. I'll look at that later to see what's gluten-free and what's not. But I appreciate you, Rita, and I appreciate your booted family and all that you do for everyone in the community. You've got a wonderful network of sellers working with you, and I appreciate all of them. It's a good, honest, fun time. Oh, I almost forgot Charles Dickens. How in the world would I do that? There you go, Mr. Dickens. Cheerio.